Hello everyone and welcome to our review of the powerful SEYVUM cordless trimmer and leaf blower combo. This versatile kit features a 2-in-1 trimmer that converts easily into a handy wheel edger. You can protect your delicate garden plants using the built-in spacer guard for precision work. The lightweight leaf blower offers 2 variable speeds to clear debris from your lawn with ease. Both tools are incredibly lightweight, so you can work comfortably for long periods without getting tired. You receive 2 long-lasting batteries and a fast charger to keep your gear running smoothly. This complete kit provides everything you need to keep your yard looking beautiful all season long. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.